Guys, good morning. Magandang umaga guys. Kain tayo. Ito yung ulam natin kayo. At saka tinulang papayas with chicken flavor. Ito guys. So, native to guys. Native na papayas nga lang. Hindi native na manok. With isda guys.